Let's get started straight away by writing this is equation 1 and here we'll write equation 2. Let's say required expression is E. I will simplify E first. So we can write E will be x plus y plus x cube over y square plus y cube over x square. Now in place of x plus y, we will write 4 because of equation number 1. But here we have x cube over y square plus y cube over x square. So let's convert our denominators into common denominator. We need to multiply here with x square. So we need to multiply here with y square. Now we'll be writing E equal to 4 plus in numerator x cube times x square x power 5, y cube times y square y power 5 over x square y square, which we will be writing xy whole square because we have equation 2 also. So in place of xy we will be writing minus 2. So 4 plus x power 5 plus y power 5 over minus 2 whole square. Minus 2 whole square is plus 4. We will get 4 plus x power 5 plus y power 5 over 4. This is our target expression. First we will find x power 5 plus y power 5. Then we will be able to find E. I will be using Newton's sum or recurrence formula method. So let us think about one quadratic equation whose roots are x plus y. Then here we have sum of roots. X times y equal to minus 2. This is product of roots. Let's write quadratic equation in variable t whose roots are x and y. Then we can write t square minus sum of roots 4t plus product of roots minus 2 equal to 0. We'll add 4t plus 2 to both sides and we can write t square equal to 4t plus 2. Now we have to consider sum Sn will be equal to x power n plus y power n. From our quadratic equation t square equal to 4t plus 2, we can write Sn equal to 4 times Sn minus 1 plus 2 times Sn minus 2. Holds true for n greater than or equal to 2. So we have Sn over here and we have sum Sn over here. Now I will put n equal to 0. So I will be able to get S0 which will be equal to x power 0 plus y power 0, 1 plus 1, 2. Now I will put n equal to 1. So we will get S1 will be equal to x power 1 plus y power 1 which will be x plus y. As per equation 1 value is 4. In the same way if I will put n equal to 5, we are going to get S5 which will be equal to x power 5 plus y power 5. Now we will write our required expression in terms of S5. It was 4 plus x power 5 plus y power 5 over 4. So required expression E can be written in terms of S5, 4 plus S5 over 4. So we have to find S5 from here. Now I will put n equal to 2 over here. So we will get S2 equal to 4S1 plus 2S0. We have S1 and S0 over here. S1 is 4, S0 is 2. So we will write 4 times 4 plus 2 times 2 will be equal to 16 plus 4. So S2 is 20. Now we have S02, S14, S2 20. Let me write here S02, S14, S2 20. And we have general Sn equal to 4 times Sn minus 1 plus 2 times Sn minus 2. Now we will plug in n equal to 3 and we will get S3, which will be 4 times S2 plus 2 times S1. We have S2 20 and we have S1 4. So we can easily calculate S3 from here. 4 times 20 plus 2 times 4. 4 times 20 is 80. 2 times 4 is 8. So we have S3 88. Now we have to put n equal to 4. So let me write here n equal to 4. Sn is 4 times Sn minus 1 plus 2 times Sn minus 2. We will get S4 4 times S3 plus 2 times S2. S2 is 20. Let me write here S0 is 2, S1 is 4, S2 is 20, S3 is 88, and we have to calculate S4. We will write here 4 times 88 plus 2 times S2, it is 20. 4 times 88 is 352 plus 40. 352 plus 40 is 392. Now we have S4 also. Now we have to calculate S5, which is required as per our expression. Now I will put over here n equal to 5 to get the value of S5, which will be equal to 4 times S4 plus 2 times S3. S4 is 392. We will write 4 times 392 plus 2 times S3. S3 is 88. 4 times 392 is 1568 plus 2 times 88 is 176. We'll add both the numbers to get the value of S5. It is 1744. S5 is known. Now we will calculate required expression E. E is 4 plus S5 over 4. And S5 is 1744. Let's put 4 plus 1744 over 4. So we'll write here 4 plus 436. 4 plus 436 will be 440. So our required expression would be equal to 440 using Newton's sums or recurrence relationship. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.